Gentlemen, let's go over the plan. The first constant is none other than Janus, the legendary Cold War spy master. A KGB senior officer and head of the 6th Column Special Branch at Lubyanka, Janus is a certified genius and expert of counterintelligence. He retired from the KGB in 1988 when he fell out of favor with the Kremlin and defected to the US. Shortly after, the Soviet Union collapsed. Now, it is unclear when Janus stepped down as the constant, but since 2004, he has been a resident of a quiet community in suburban Vermont. Mr. Gray.
Right. So here's the catch. As an elite KGB agent, Janus was trained to withstand interrogation and torture. No amount of pressure will force him to disclose information he doesn't want to. Instead, we will need to search his home for clues. But if Providence learns of our presence, the game is up.
So we frame Janus, make Providence think he was the real shattered plant.
Correct. I will file a false ICA report, claiming to have traced a number of calls from Janus's house to the Institute in Romania. The case will seem clear. Mr. Gray was only a figurehead. Janus was pulling the strings all along. And by eliminating him, we will have neutralized the militia, once and for all.
However, for this subterfuge to work, you'll also need to deal with Janus's security detail. A Providence herald and former Secret Service agent by the name of Nolan Cassidy. Intel describes him as diligent and inquisitive, and we cannot risk that he contradicts our story to his employer.
Seems workable.
I certainly hope so. Everything depends on this next move, 47. You made this our fight. Now let's even the playing field. Whittleton Creek, Vermont. On the surface, a picture-perfect suburban dream. Wide roads, golden maple trees, and verdant lawns. Most residents here are white-collar professionals, ranging from university staff to government employees.
Most, but not all. Janus's unpresuming home is protected by a host of bodyguards, and intel shows that the fragile former constant rarely leaves the property.
Nolan Cassidy, on the other hand, roams the neighborhood streets. A recent arrival, the dutiful Providence Herald is busy making threat assessments and settling in with his security team.
Now remember, this is about more than just revenge. Janus is the key to bring down Providence. So get in there and find us a lead.
Good luck, 47.
I have to tell you, these are the best muffins I ever had. I'm supposed to meet a client for a house showing today, but I can't stop eating. Maybe you know him, Mr. Nolan Cassidy?
Can't say that I do. Well, he's interested in the Schmidt house. I just feel like doing something fast. And it's giving me
A ceremonial robe of some sort with a note from Janus attached. The note is interesting. Janus has asked Helen to do a few repairs on the robe before he leaves for his annual trip. He even put a date there. This is valuable information, 47. sinister-looking basement. What could she be doing down here? A robe for Janus. What could he need that for?
Ah, yes. Just love to clean up all the mess.
Oh.
Oh.
Have a front. Charles Blake III appreciates your support. Vote for Blake at the upcoming elections.
Say, you guys haven't been poking around the frog habitat behind the house, have you?
No.
Oh, okay, great. It's just that you, sir, are trespassing. Hey, what's going on? There's this guy trespassing. I thought you should know. That's the guy right there.
Hey, you! This is a restricted area. Now follow me, okay? That's it. Run along now. Don't come this way again.
Oh, okay, great.
Doubt they'll be wrapping up anytime soon.
Oh, I just really like to take an active role. I mean, I
Have a
just
fly.
stand there and watch them jaywalk, whatever. And then hand him a fine.
This doesn't look good. Well, I'll check it out. I bet Gary lost this.
Security! You need to deal with this guy right away.
What the hell's happening?
We've got someone causing trouble, hurting people.
Please step aside. Let me do my job. I'll handle this.
Command! Anybody there? Come!
Whoa, what a shock. I could use some assistance here.
Don't find out, will you?
Hey, something bad's going down. Something really bad is happening. What's going on? Someone is being really annoying. Do something before it escalates. calm down. I'll investigate.
Cassidy looks to be a gun enthusiast. The room looks like it's outfitted with a lot of security and alarms.
Christ, what a mess. Mr. Blake has many important missions. Damn. Damn.
Oh.
Have a fly. Charles Blake III appreciates your support. Vote for Blake in the upcoming elections.
Okay. What was that? That on purpose?
A cigar box with a few cigars and a note inside. Well, this is very interesting. The note indicates that the box was given to Janus by the Constant, as per tradition, he writes. 47. This could mean the Constant and Janus meet up on a regular basis. Excellent find.
Oh, jeez, darling, I'm so hungry. Have you seen those beautiful daddy bags? Heaven to look.
Your house is so beautiful. I'm really.
What about just a bit?
Hi there. Pretty much done here, so I'll get out.
Whatever it is that Whittleton uses, I'm sure we don't like it so much. That's very good.
For Christ's sake. Dispatch. I've got a body on the ground. Hold on.
Hey, did you grab the pack of smokes that was thrown over the fence from the old guy's garden?
No, man. I'm trying to stop.
Ah, well. You know, I think someone in there...
Excuse me! What are you doing here?
No more throwing stuff! I'm taking you down!
You're out of line, sir, and I will have to take you down if you don't comply.
This is a restricted area.
Listen, I swear I have a license for it. License? Don't bring it to me. You can't just confiscate my property. I need it to get rid of an aggressively invasive mole in the poor old man's backyard. Calm down, demolition man. Unless it's a blessing to the mole, down another. Yeah. Tossed it in the trash like the others. I really like that.
Shit.
Oh, shit. Man, man, this one looks like an accident. Maybe need some help figuring this mess out.
Finally, an end to Janus. Death feels like an easy way out for a man like him. Still, we are close now, 47.
A letter from Janus to someone called Zoe. It looks like a draft and is full of explicit descriptions of how unhappy Janus is with Zoe and his sister having been appointed chairwomen of the Ark Society. Huh. I've heard that name before. This is a good find, 47. Good work, 47. We now know Janus is meeting with the Constant at an event related to the Ark Society. And we have an approximate date as well.
Mr. Cassidy,
I think that's all we're going
I'm
to
sorry
get.
for the delay.
We're close
I'm
to
ready
the
to
finish
take you
line.
to the house.
It's time to end this.
Let's go. You know which one it is, right? Last one on the right, far end of the road. I hope you've got your presentation in order. I don't want this to be a waste of time, you understand me?
Of course, Mr. Cassidy.
I've been eyeing this place for some time. I trust
cool.
we can make a quick execution here.
Yes, Mr. Cassidy.
Well, what are you waiting for? Unlock the door and start the tour. Finally. I've had my eye on this place for quite some time. Let's see what sort of secrets she holds.
This is the downstairs living room. It is most commonly used for watching television and other recreational purposes. Large room with two easy-to-get-to exits. Dark floors hide stains easily. A room with lots of potential.
That's all fine. Is there more to this house, though? This is all very interesting, but where's the real magic? You know, a hidden bunker, a mysterious room, moving bookcases.
This is the garden area. Manageable size, well-placed shrubbery, useful for hiding yourself or other things. Tree house, which affords an excellent overview of the adjoining gardens. And look at all those lawn lamps. Good thing it hasn't been raining.
What about storage possibilities? Anything of that nature you could show me?
And here's the basement. The usual boiler elements are to be found down here. And it seems a room with a safe of some sort.
Now that is more like it. That looks just like a vault. This is very interesting. Yes, now this is more like it. This I can use. Very nice indeed. Frank, go outside and check the garden. I want to know how visible this vault is from the outside. Anything sticking out of the ground, weird sloping things like that.
You got it, sir.
So you're looking to sell this for, how much was it again? 1.1?
Sounds about right.
I suppose that's not unreasonable. And this vault unit looks quite versatile. Internal climate control and explosive laser security.
All the comforts of home.
Yes, quite interesting. And a nice looking safe in here too, any?
Hey! Someone help me out!
Taken care of. Both targets are confirmed killed.
He's been sitting there most of the day. I don't know what he's reading, but it looks like it's the most interesting thing he's ever... Hey, wait a minute. Hey, you! I believe that you...
The Ark Society. One of Providence's more obscure outfits.
I've heard whispers. A survivalist club for the global elite. Billionaires preparing for a global collapse. And now we know the Constant will attend their next gathering. So where is it?
That's the catch. The report is redacted. No names, no location.
So it's a dead end. I can't track them, not without ICA backup.
Now, I'm no big shot analyst, but it seems to me Janus was the Ark Society's founder, so chances are they'll want to pay their respects in private.
Track the coffin. Worth a shot.
You all right?
It comes back in flashes. Fear, anger, but like it happened to someone else.
Your gift and your curse. What they did to you. Well, I spent a long time feeling guilty about that. Now, I wonder who got the better deal.
Yes, found something.
What are we looking at?
The ass end of nowhere. But this is where Janus's remains were shipped to. Our choice for a final resting place, wouldn't you say?
Not bad. So we stake it out. Await the next gathering. Then we waltz in and kidnap one of the world's most powerful men. Without ICA backup.
Like I said, it's a long shot.
we'll take it.